Hi guys, we're taking a look at my NYX 3-Step to Sculpt Contour Palette. So this contains a shimmer highlighter and then a matte highlighting powder and then a contour shade. So I'm just going in with a fan brush here to contour my cheekbones. So this is a great three-way palette for any kind of beginners. It just keeps it super simple. I have it in the shade light, so it's just very easy to follow. You know which contour shade you should use based on what you chose. So I also use it to contour my nose. I'm just using this really thin fan brush also on there. You're gonna kind of want to modify that to however your nose is shaped. The formula itself is super blendable, non-cakey, and I do like that there is no shimmer in that contour shade. I've had some that contain a little bit of shimmer, and for this situation, I want it to be matte and just to look like my own natural jawbone. So now that I'm done with the contour shade, I'm taking that powdery yellow tone one, and I'm just going to use that to emphasize other areas of my face and carving out the contour as well. So that's why I'm going underneath that main contour shade and just further kind of blending in each spot. So put it kind of as you desire. So they have a great shade range in this one from light, deep, fair, medium. Yeah, and a awesome deal. NYX Cosmetics is very much affordable but high quality. So that's why I love this brand so much. And then I'm just going to take that shimmer to highlight certain areas of my face, brow bone, and on top of my cheekbones. A little bit on the cupid's bows and nose, and then I will finish doing the rest of my makeup just to kind of look how you can see how it looks completed. So here's one more kind of final close-up on it without, and then this is with adding some blush in. Really helps it all kind of blend in all together, and then of course eye makeup and stuff so it looks like a complete done look. I really love this little contour palette. I have their fuller one and I love this one for just taking on the go. It's great. Definitely check it out.